Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an icon for YouTube or any other social media platform completely for free with no downloads using a web program. This tutorial is going to be a bit open-ended, so you have the tools to create whatever it is you would like to create and be left with a completely original product. Before I get into it, I just want to quickly say that this will be the last pixlr tutorial for a while, as I have other fun things planned, and that if this tutorial helps you, please be sure to press the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be alerted when new content is posted, as this helps the channel greatly. Enough babble, let's get into it. To get started, we're going to go to pixlr.com/editor. I will leave a link down in the description below. We're going to click create a new image, and we're going to make the image 500 by 500. Next, I'm going to click the maximize button just because I like working with a big open space. Next, you're going to choose the overall shape for your icon. This can be anything from a diamond to a smiley face. For the intents and purposes of this tutorial, I've picked out this triangle image. When you're Google searching for images, make sure the image is transparent. I'm going to copy the image URL and go over here to the layer and open image URL as layer. I'm going to paste the image URL right up in here and click OK. I'm going to go up to Edit, Free Transform, and we need to shrink this image down while holding Shift and place it right about there. I'm happy with this placement. I'm going to click Enter when I'm done placing it. Next, we're going to grab the Magic Wand tool and select the triangle. We're going to click Delete. Then we're going to go to Edit, Invert Selection, click Delete once more to delete any excess pixels that were on the outside that weren't grabbed by the Magic Wand tool. We're going to go to the Paint bucket, click on the color box here, make it white, and click right here on the outside of the selection. This will make everything outside of this triangle white. For your icon, if you want there to be a different color outside of the triangle for the icon, you can make it whatever color you wish. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to make mine white. For our next step, we're going to find a texture that is going to make up the shape right here. I am going to use this Polygon shape wallpaper. I will leave a link down in the description below if you would like to use this wallpaper, but you could be searching for anything. Space, flowers, sunsets, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, let your creativity run free. Once you have found your wallpaper, we're going to copy the image URL, go to Layer, open image URL, and hit OK. Now, since mine is a wallpaper, it is quite large, so I need to shrink it using Free Transform. Place it however you would like on the image, and hit Enter when you are done. So we're going to grab this wallpaper layer and drag it underneath the silhouette you created in the last step, and you're left with something similar to this. So next what we're going to do is create a little bit of an edgy, jagged bit on the bottom here. For the edgy, jagged bit, I've selected this silhouette of a forest. Again, it can be any silhouette, it doesn't matter. Just make sure when you're Googling that it is a transparent image to make your life a whole lot easier. I'm going to grab this, copy. We're going to go to Image Layer, not Image, Layer. Open Image URL as Layer and paste it in as usual. I'm going to drag it to where I want it. I'm going to say right about there. I think I like that there like that. And you're going to notice that this is a weird gray color and I don't like it. I want it to be white. So what I'm going to do is right click on the layer, go to Layer Styles. Let's get this out of the way so I can see. It's going to be an inner glow, hardness all the way up, size all the way up, and I'm going to make it white. Hit OK. You're going to notice that it doesn't completely white out everything. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go over to the brushes, and I'm just going to quickly paint the white. So the forest silhouette didn't quite cut off the entirety of the bottom of the triangle due to my placement. So what I'm going to do is click on the layer, hit Control J, and it's going to copy the layer. Then I'm going to go over to Edit, Free Transform, and flip the silhouetted image, and then place it again so that it's cutting off just a bit more here. I like this location. I'm going to hit Enter, and you're left with a nice jagged bottom here. Now for the final step, we're going to find an image to silhouette the center, just to give the icon just a little bit more of an interesting feel to it. I've grabbed this Minecraft creeper face, but you can choose any image you would like. I'm going to copy, go to Layer, open image URL as Layer. Now what you're going to notice is that this creeper is on the wrong layer, so I'm going to drag it to the top, B, you're going to notice that it is a massively huge image. So we're going to free transform, we're going to shrink it down, and then place it in an interesting way on top of the rest of the image. I like it right about there. Final step, right click on the layer, go to layer styles, and do the same inner glow you did to the last silhouette you chose. As you notice, it didn't quite clear that up. We're going to do what we did last time and just paint on the inside. There you have it, a nice, simple, extremely easy way to make an icon for YouTube or any other social media network. All you have to do at the very end is go to File, Save, and save your image, making sure to save it as a PNG for best quality results. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out. If it did, please be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it with anybody you might think needs some help with their icon game. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there.